What's going on YouTube? My name is Shai. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to basically we're looking for silver. We're desperately looking for silver, and I know it's rough out there. It's pretty hard to find inexpensive silver. But I wanted to bring to your attention a series called by the Highland Mint. So those of you guys that stack might be familiar with the Highland Mint. Let me fix my camera here. And what's unique about this series is that it is possible to get a 1 ounce silver round, which is like, I don't know, what is it, 115 bucks today? I mean, it's crazy. Today is January 26th. So you guys can purchase these on eBay. Just make sure they're sealed. So this is the one I bought. I paid $24.99 plus shipping, so probably paid like 31 bucks with tax. And I might pick up these three for 60 bucks because that's $20 with free shipping. But as you can see, you can get a Michael Jordan card. I'm sorry, coin. You can get a Steph Curry, and the real one you want is the 1 of 1 silver coin, which is going to be pretty tough to find. But the Michael Jordan sell all day, every day for 20 bucks. So if you pull a Michael Jordan, you pretty much are hunting for silver for free. You just got to resell it on eBay. So, anyways, I'm gonna do an unboxing. We'll see if we get lucky, and I am gonna do like the way the pack out here. So a troy ounce of silver is 31.1 grams. So I don't know if weighing the packs automatically guarantees that yeah you found a silver one. So this one weighs, with the box and everything, 59.6 grams. So my guess is there's not a silver coin inside of here, but I'm going to buy more to kind of test that theory. And you're not going to find these again in the store anymore. You might find it at a local card shop. They might have purchased this or been forced to purchase this. But if you're not familiar with the Highland Mint, they do a lot of cool things. All right, so we're going to unbox this. And as you can see, it is sealed. So it's got like the plastic, and you'd have to like actually rip it to get it open, and there's the plastic seal around it. So let's see, I guess we'll go from the bottom here, and these are the coins, and then yes, there could possibly be a silver round in there. I doubt it. Most of these are going to be plated, and if you find a gold plated one, those can be worth some money as well. So let's get this bad boy open. And hopefully you guys and gals are staying warm. It is cold out there. I just feel bad for you guys down south. You guys are definitely not used to this torture. All right, so we're going to cut it from the bottom. Just that way the plastic on it stays nice. And then we're going to show you on eBay what the coins can possibly sell for. I'm not doing a really good job. That is definitely glued in there. All right, so looks like, well, we got the two that probably are going to resell pretty well, the Michael Jordan and the LeBron James. And the LeBron James is out of 8,000. And they give you a flip, which is kind of nice, but I'll show the coin raw here. So there's a LeBron James. And it just says the Highland Mint NBA collector coins out of 8,000. And let's see what that weighs all by itself. So maybe weighing these packs is a good way of figuring out if it's worth opening or not. So let's just take one of these, and that's 17.7 grams. So that's really, really light. And if there was a real silver in here, that'd be 31 grams. All right, now let's take the Michael Jordans out of 30,000. They're they're a little easier to pull, but that's the one that people want. So they're going to make a lot more Michael Jordan. And that's rare to have a Michael Jordan because usually Michael Jordan sold all his likeness rights to Upper Deck. So yeah, there you have the Upper Deck. So Highland Mint had to pay Upper Deck some extra money for that. So let's weigh this one. And that's 18.3. So very interesting. So again, nobody's weighed these coins, but the Michael Jordan's 18.3 and the LeBron is 17.7. So that is 36 grams. So my guess is if you get a heavy pack of these, you're guaranteed to pull silver out of it. So maybe weighing these packs actually makes sense. So here's the two coins combined at 36. Here's the package with the two coins on it, 54.3. So my guess is heavier packs. Oops, I forgot to put the plastic on it. Hold on, let me do that real quick. So we'll put the LeBron James back. So kind of cool pulling two goats live for your entertainment. Desperately hunting silver. I mean, it would have been cool to pull silver. Seriously, paying $30 for 1 ounce of silver. But let's weigh it all with the plastic. So 59.99. So my guess is, guys, if you're out there and you're hunting these packs, if you find a heavy pack, because they're not putting any other weights or anything inside, but if you find a pack that weighs at least 65 grams or more, chances are you have a silver in there, or you might have a gold plated one in there. So I'll have to buy some more of these and try that out. But again, something to look for that is pretty interesting. So we'll pull the screen here. Let me put my eBay screen here. There's my gram calculator. And we're going to put in Highland Mint NBA LeBron James. So not bad. That's a $30 coin. Now, just because somebody is listing it for $30 doesn't necessarily mean that it's sold, but that's pretty cool. So let's hit the sold icon here. And that's the real life price, $12. $12. So again, someone can ask $20 all day long, but the true, well, that's back in November. Let me try this here. Yeah, so $12 for that coin. And then let's see Michael Jordan. My guess is Michael Jordan would be more. Yep, here it is. So the Michael Jordan is $25. So again, spent like $30 with shipping and everything, and basically pulled $32. Well, $37 in value. But again, it's fun. I'm hunting for silver. I'm going to list these coins. I don't want to stare at them any longer. I wish I pulled silver, but just figured I'd want to share just a new, different way of searching for silver. And again, the Highland Mint NBA collector's coins. They are for sale. They come up they come up a lot, and so I'm probably gonna buy this pack next. But they come up a lot, and they sell out pretty quickly. I mean, some people are asking $40 for one, so I'm gonna buy this pack for 60. So I'll have 3 more unboxings, and I'm gonna weigh each one of those individually. Again, why not? So if I do find a heavy, I might be able to sell, pull a silver coin out of it. But it's going to be really tough. I mean, I'm pretty sure they made a lot of these, but just a unique way. They do hockey, they do baseball, they do all kinds of stuff. But just figured I'd share that with you guys. So appreciate you guys watching my channel. I know this one's a little different, but hopefully you enjoyed the entertainment. And I don't know. I might just keep these as giveaways. So if someone spends a lot of money in my store, which I always list on the bottom of the YouTube description, I might include one of these as a gift, especially if you're a subscriber. So, anyways, guys, appreciate you guys stopping by. Keep hunting silver out there. Wish you all the luck. Stay healthy out there and stay warm. Bye bye.